mga kapeti, we're here in Simending. Nawalan nga tayo ng wallet eh. Hi mga kapeti! Good morning! Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am so buhay right now because I got more than 12 hours of sleep. Slept at 9 PM kahapon because I was so tired. Tapos, nagising ako ng mga tito ko kanina ng 6 AM. Ayaw ko talaga magising and I'm like, oh, please, go na. Imbes na wala akong gawin today, mag-shoot na lang ako ng content na gustong-gusto ko talagang i-shoot. For today's video, I am only gonna eat 7-Eleven food for a day. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. Cause, I know that I will enjoy this. Kaso lang good luck to me kasi kapag hindi ako kumakain ng real food, what happens is, sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Pero real food naman to eh. Pero, before everything else, tignan muna natin ang pera ko kasi nawalan nga tayo ng wallet eh. So, ito na lang ang pera ko. I only have 2,300 left. For breakfast, dito lang tayo sa 7-Eleven na katabi. And nagagastusin ko lang is 300 new Taiwanese dollars. I-challenge na rin natin yung self ko. I'm only gonna spend that much for breakfast. And then 1,000 for dinner and 1,000 for lunch. Literal na katabi lang, hindi na ako mag-aayos. I'm just gonna eat breakfast. So, okay, let's go. Actually, I tried 7-Eleven food na kahapon, yung bread nila. Oh my god, ang sarap! So, like, I'm really so excited. Let's go na. As in, there's no ayos-ayos talaga. Let's go na. I'm so excited and hungry. So, this is our hotel, diba? Harap ng restaurant dito, in fairness. Pagkalabas mo ng hotel. Tada! Ayan na ang 7-Eleven, guys. Literal. So, ayan na. 7-Eleven. You know what I love is my Hello Kitty. Oh. By the way, guys, makash sila. Hindi sila card, makash sila. Ayan. Parang hindi to for breakfast. Tsaka I don't know that ako kumain yan. What's that? Chicken wings? Kasi lang iniinit ata yan. Ice cream. The thing is, though, ayoko na mag-sweets. Kasi sakit na lalamunan ko. Oh my ganito. I feel like I'm gonna get this. Baka kasabi lang ayoko ng sweets. Parang cereal siya, no? Pwede. Kasi lang baka mag-apple milk na lang ako since I love apple juice. Hindi ko pa siya nalalasa ng milk. My favorite. Ano to? Linaluto ba to? I don't know if linaluto to though. Cool. Oh my god, the sushi. It looks good, guys. Siguro pang lunch ko to later. Ayoko muna bumili ng ganyan. Breakfast lang talaga muna. Real. Sarap. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna get chicken corn soup. Kasi I heard masarap daw yung ganito dito. This one, do I need to cook this?
Huh?
Does it need to be cooked or microwave?
Up to you.
Oh, okay.
If you want microwave, you have to do it.
Oh, there's a microwave.
Yourself.
Oh, okay. Ay, may Hello Kitty, oh. Kukuha ko ng apple milk. Kasi lang, gusto ko muna ng pagkain. Talaga. Ito mga chips. Kain tayo later na ito, mga snacks. Yung mga tinapay din. Feeling ko kailangan ko kumain nito. Hindi ko alam. Sweet. Ayoko nang masyadong matamis. O sige na nga. Kuha na nga tayo nito. Kuha ba ako? Baka siya masarap ha. scrambled egg with beef on rice. Hindi ako ma-rice. Classic rice bread. Mag-rice. Baka mag-rice ball ako. Hindi, I'm saving it for lunch. Naka 167 tayo. Thank you, Shashe. I'm back, and for our first meal, I got chicken corn soup. Chicken first meal. Tama, breakfast. I got apple milk, something sweet, and then Japanese roasted chicken and egg. And I think this is tamago. Ko na siya pinainit kasi okay naman pala ako with eating cold. I don't really mind. Ano natin tong chicken corn soup. Mainit siya, as expected. And just ayos. Try natin si tamago. I love tamago. You know, need that protein. It tastes processed. I don't really like it. Masasabi na, oh, it's fake tamago. The soup, masarap though. Masarap. So, confident ako masarap kasi ang kinain ko ganito kahapon is ham and cheese. So, I know that this is gonna be good. Roasted chicken and egg. I kind of don't like the egg part, so I think I'm just gonna eat the chicken part. The chicken itself, it's masarap. Let me give this a second chance. Okay, apple milk. I'm excited for this. I don't really like it. It's a no for me. I got excited by that. I'm gonna do something. Sandwich and soup. So if it isn't obvious, ang favorite ko is this corn soup. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Sandwich, I'll give it a 7 out of 10 because I like the chicken. This one, I don't like it. And this one, I also don't like it. I hope I choose better sa lunch. So mga kapeti, we are on the way again to 7-Eleven. But unfortunately, lang ako sa baba because I'm so hungry na and it's raining pa. So sabi ko, dyan na lang ako bibili ng lunch sa 7-Eleven namin. Madami ng selectors. Just going there again. And hindi na ako mag-video ng super dami because same 7-Eleven. But for dinner dun guys, is San Diego. Lakas ng rain guys. Ayokong maglakad. So, punta na lang tayo sa 7-Eleven. Oh no! Na rin pala ako ng mga kung ano-anong snacks. So, alam niyo naman si cinnamon roll my fave. Kaya masarap. I wanna try this. Okay. Got to go. I'm back here and let's do a haul of what I bought. I bought na rin snacks kasi I'm a snack person. Anyway guys, don't be fooled. Ang dami nagkaroon. Bakit yung pwede ko kaya? Hindi ko kasi talaga kinakain lahat. I got Korean style fried chicken for my lunch. And then this one, I don't know what these are. Sa mga Sanrio snacks. And then not snacks. Because I really want to try snacks. These are the snacks that I bought. And then I got this. Sarap yung bread nila. So I got a bread. Okay, so let's eat this plain tico and salmon. fried chicken na hindi ko na pinainit. Let's try it. It's yummy. This is good. No. I mean, depends. Kasi ako, I have a high tolerance for spice. Very good. I like it. I like my lunch. What I'm doing is I'm eating the kanin. Good. This is the famous fried chicken now. Oh, by the way, dito to sa 7-Eleven. Open ako naman. Ang sarap. My God, this is good. Looks simple lang, but it's good.
Super.
Oh my God. Wow, it's amazing. This is so good. Try natin dito. Ang sarap din ng may sauce. I love it. I love it so much. This is so good. I thought the fried chicken from 7-Eleven was good. This is so good. Guys, this is so good. I'm not even joking. Guys, here, ito sa new character. Cinnamon roll, my favorite. First, si Kuromi! Akala ko makuha ko sa cinnamon roll. Si Kuromi pala.
Ano pangalan? Cut.
Cut. I don't like it. Pang bata. Fulfilling. I like it. So mga kapati, we're here in Simending. We're looking for the 7-Eleven Hello Kitty. And I'm so excited. Yun yung request ko na puntahan namin. Instead of the other night market, dito kami pupunta. It's actually very busy here in Simending. There. Ayan sa mga kapati. Talagang lakad talaga all the way. Like the average 7-Eleven mga selections. Ganun ulit. Getting ya, boy.
Not sure.
Madaming selection dito, ha?
No, it's the same.
No, mas madami dito. Contact lens po. Saan ka nakikita? 7-Eleven na may contact lens. So, cute. Okay, hanap na tayong pagkain, guys. Hanap na tayo. I bought barbecue pork grilled rice. Honestly, hindi na ako masaya. Sabi ng tito ko, ano klaseng challenge yan? And nag-enjoy ka. Bumili din pala ako nito. Because I love cinnamon roll. Ito. Para siyang lemon yogurt drink with yummy mixed jelly. Para siyang Yakult na malaki. Tapos ito, rice ball na naman. So, try natin. Tigas ng kanin. Okay lang siya. Pero piling ko mas masarap. Kainin siya. Tikman mo. Tigas.
Eh, hindi mo kasi pinainit eh.
Ayoko nang mainit eh.
At matigas talaga siya.
Pero ba?
Yeah.
Papainitin ko na siya. Sige na.
Try 3 or 4.
Baka ito. Ayan, mainit na siya. Inagtawan niya na kami ate sa counter kasi tinatanong niya na sa akin. Sabi ko, ayoko.
Ano to?
May points pa.
Marco, balikan doon na yan.
Nasa ito na, para dagdag mo dyan.
Balikan doon na.
Sarap na siya, pero madaming kanin. Puro kanin ako today. Ubo.
Pork? Is it pork? I don't eat the isang ganun na rice.
Kailan? It's much. This is good. Masarap. Masarap.
Yeah.
So mga kapeti, my conclusion is hindi ko kaya ng convenience store food kasi nasusuya ako. Kailangan ko talaga ng totoong food. And anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this. Do you guys like it when I eat? No? Well, I enjoy eating din naman. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends mga kapeti. Bye! Mwah! Okay, I want something maalat. So I have this. Pala tapos, I have this. It's the same day, guys. This. And I feel like this is peanut maalat. I really like it kasi not so good. This one is chicken wings and lime. Okay. The lime flavor is so strong. Okay, this one. This is Cheetos. Can't open it. I don't like this. This one I like. Just kulang na. Higitin ko na nga. Small again. Oh, ito pa rin. But it's kulang ng alat. Now I wanna go down to 7-Eleven and buy. But I should stop that.